Well, today I told our next guest if she couldn't make it in, we'd just have a mannequin here standing in for her. But she made it in. Shirley Witt is here from the Florence Sylvester, and good to see you.
I'm a living mannequin.
You're a living mannequin. Yes, you are.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. And 4th of July coming up tomorrow, right. And you guys are going to be closed for a couple days, right?
We're going to be closed the 4th and the 5th.
Yes.
So we're taking a long weekend. But so today we're celebrating our 4th of July at the center today at 11:30.
Oh, very good.
We're going to have a big 4th of July
You're going to have
celebration.
the typical food?
Yeah, we're going to have barbecue wings and potato
very
salad.
good.
Yeah, so it'll be fun.
That'll be a lot of fun.
And we have some nice patriotic music entertainment, so it'll be a lot of fun.
Good.
We just, I got my hand slapped. I wanted to do fireworks, but they wouldn't let me, so.
Yeah, that would have been nice. And Cheryl's not here because was she up in Canada for Canada Day?
She, you know what? They had Canada Day at Doheny.
Oh, did they really?
For some reason. I don't know why, because July 1st is Canada Day. So
yes, yeah.
She was out celebrating Canada Day all over the county.
That's good.
So here I am. So a couple things that are going on at the Senior Center in July. First of all, it says relieving neck and back pain. And that does not mean the pain in your neck you get from your spouse.
Okay.
That's not what that's about. So I get that quite often. So Dr. Liao will be here Tuesday, July 9th.
Okay.
And he's going to talk about pains in your neck and your back and what you can do about them. We all have those.
Right. Are these things that, do you know if he's going to discuss, you can do on your own at home to kind of just...
Yeah. Probably a little bit of both.
Okay.
You know, it's non-surgical thing.
Good.
So that's this Tuesday, July 9th, with Dr. Liao, and he's a great neurosurgeon in the community here. Also, on July 18th, it's learning everything there is to know about wills and trusts, which there's a lot to know.
Yeah, that's a good one.
And people don't understand. A couple of the subjects is, you know, what are they? Do we have to have a trust?
Right. What is the difference between the two? Yes.
Exactly. Why do I need a trustee? What does a trustee do? And a lot of elementary things that we should know. But they will go over things that maybe you should ask your attorney if you need to go and have your will or your trust checked out. Because a lot of people have wills and trusts, but then they don't look at them for 10 or 15 years, and things change. Yeah. So
that's always a good idea.
Yes, absolutely. So we have Laura Meyer from Meyer's Attorneys, and they're in Newport Beach, and they're very, very good. They're elder law attorneys. So we've dealt with them before, and they're very good. And that will be on Thursday, July 18th at 10 o'clock in the morning.
All right.
And then, I know you enjoy these, the movie guy is coming to the center, and he's wonderful. He comes to the center probably once a month or once every couple months. He's from Hollywood. And what he does is he'll show a movie, and this one's going to be Yankee Doodle Dandy. He'll show an older movie, and what he'll do is he'll talk about behind the scenes of the movie, what the actors have done, maybe the affairs they had, or how they got into that movie, or what's the producers doing, all sorts of interesting things that you want to hear about.
It is interesting when you find out
very interesting.
Movies that past or present, you know, how it came about.
And he does all the old ones. So this is going to be Yankee Doodle Dandy, and with James Cagney, and let's see, July 24th at 1 o'clock at the Senior Center. So he's very, very interesting. And then he'll show the movie. Okay. And then that's a lot of fun. Absolutely. And of course, my big fundraiser, Casino Night, is coming up September 14th.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Just mark that on your calendar, September 14th. It's a fundraiser for the Senior Center.
Now, as far as this goes, this is something that, if I'm not mistaken, you sell a ticket in advance that includes so many...
$100. $100 worth of chips.
And then if you want to buy more.
Yeah, it's $25 to get in, and you get $100 worth of chips, and then you go to the gaming tables, and if you run out of chips right away, then you buy some more. But it's a fundraiser for the center. It's a nice, casual, we turn the whole center into a casino. It's a nice, casual, fun night, and it's to help, you know, the programs at the Senior Center.
Yeah, just beware of Cheryl. She uses loaded dice and marked cards.
You got to be careful with Cheryl. She's, you know, that girl got a heavy hand, I'm telling you.
She does.
So that's September 14th. Mark that down on your calendar. And again, tomorrow's our July 3rd July
Yes.
3rd, 4th of July
Yes.
party.
Yeah.
So, and I just want to thank everybody who has donated to the Florence Sylvester and to Adro over the last month. We had a campaign going, and
That's
we really,
right.
really
Yeah.
appreciate that. And I want to thank the Laguna Woods Foundation for their generous support for us. So it makes a difference. We take care of the seniors in this community, and we're going to be there for you, and hopefully the community will be there for us also.
All right, very good. Say hi to everyone over
I
there.
will.
Have a good
I
4th
will.
of July. Remember, they're closed tomorrow and Friday.
And Friday,
right?
yes, we are.
Okay.
So don't come knocking on the doors.
No.
We'll be there.
Yes.
We'll see everybody on Monday morning.
All right, you take care. Always
Thank
good
you.
to see you, and we'll be right back. There.